Is it just me? Or is it love at first sight? Big love at first sight. Oh, but you need to think about the next level. This one, you connect with. Oh, this one as well. Knows exactly what you want. Oh. Okay. Look at that. Perfect. Charge up, bro. You'll need it. Why? Are you joining me on a road trip? Already on the way, bro. Catch me if you can.
Sir,
Yeah?
are we ready?
Yeah, totally.
So, which one do you choose?
Isn't it a double roll?
I'm a boss.